Thank you for joining Lambchop's spin-along team for the 2023 Lambtown Festival Virtual Sheep Shawl Competition. During our Thursday team meetings on Zoom, we share ideas for the shawl design. A soft Corriedale fleece is dyed with Jacquard Vivid Violet to complement the black light reactive dyes that have been used in the warp. Selah warps the loom, while Judith teases the fleece before it goes through the drum carder. The teasing helps to open the fibers up and drop out any bits of vegetation or dirt. The teased wool is given to Terry, who puts it through the drum carder. The large and small drums comb against one another as they turn, like hand cards when they're brushed against each other. The fleece is arranged into organized parallel fiber bats. Each bat goes through the drum carder 3 times to groom the fibers into readiness for the spinners. The piles of carded bats were shared by Laura, Selah, and Judith. We worked together to make sure that the spinning was fine and even, so that it would be very balanced from one spinner to the next. Our bobbins of singles were gathered together so that we could 2-ply them. This is Judith 2-plying on an electric spinner. You can barely see the 2 plies of yarn going onto the bobbin. The 2-ply yarn was wound onto bobbins for the weaver's shuttle. 19 bobbins were filled with yarn for our shawl. Here's Selah at the loom, just beginning our shawl. The warp is dyed black light blue, crocodile green, chartreuse, fluorescent orange, magenta, and hot fuchsia. Some of these colors are black light reactive. The vivid violet weft yarn makes a beautiful contrast against the warp yarns. When the weaving is finished, Selah hem stitches to secure the shawl before it's cut off the loom. Spinning, weaving, hem stitching, all done. Now it's time to cut the shawl off the loom. Now there's just one more thing to be done. Selah adds some glow-in-the-dark beads to the fringe for maximum fun. It's like a party in a shawl. Thank you for joining us for the making of the Light of the Party shawl. And thank you again to Lambtown Festival for giving us a wonderful virtual competition to be part of. Bye from Lambchop.